taking it. I'm old, I'm taking it. What's up all you radical people of YouTube? Today we're going to do a bike check on Jack's free agent Metus dirt jumper. Jack, you ready to talk about your new bike?
Yeah, let's do it.
All right, so let's start up front. What forks we got here?
So I got Centaur XCM 30s.
How much travel?
About 100. Coil force, okay.
All right. Got Kenda tire.
Small box. 2.35 in front, 2.1 in the back.
It's got some unbranded, unsealed hubs. Pretty wide rim. Oh, Weinman rim. FSA headset. Whoa. Free agent. You can see that free agent bar end. Unbranded wake stem. I kind of like that stem. I would buy that for one of my bikes. How wide are the bars?
760s. Pretty good.
760 millimeter wide. We got a 6061 aluminum frame. Oh, it's got Tektro mechanical brakes. It's got a cool combo seat with the aluminum seat post, so that's probably pretty light. Some unbranded 8-spline chromoly cranks, plastic free agent pedals. Now what do we got on the back? The mechanical Tektros, probably a 160 rotor. So there's some nice chain tensioners though. Kenda small block 8 tires. Did we miss anything?
I think that's about it.
I think that's it. Let's go get some clips.